this next section a go. So finding angles with particular trigonometric ratios. So we have these little ratios and little rules that we have learnt from exercise 5C, which we can use. I'll show you kind of how to do each question, without them as well. So you should be able to know the periodicity and then, whereabouts the cos can have answers or sine or tan, etc. So let's do example 10. Find the two angles theta. So we want to find two angles on the unit circle with, as you can see, we're using degrees, not radians for this question. So just keep that in mind. So it's 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and then again 360 degrees. So it's a whole circle. So we got cos theta equals a positive answer. So let's just have a think about all silly turtles crawl, whereabouts those answers would exist. So cos theta equals 1/3, so it's going to be positive here. So that answer is going to be whatever I get from the calculator, and also over this way. So when I have that same angle, it's going to be that exactly same angle. So let's figure it out. I should write theta because that's what the symbol is. If I use the calculator to find this inverse cos, make sure you're using degrees with your calculator because you're in degrees. So you get, let me just double check. Yep, mine's on degrees. So always kind of double check. Mine's approximately, I'm just going to write 71 degrees approximately, and then I'm going to work with that. So as I said, that is this amount of degree. So that is this degree. I found 71 degrees. Great. But the other degree of cos would give me that one, which is, I could technically add it all up if I really wanted to, but the easiest way to do is the whole angle takes 71 degrees, which will give me, obviously, that angle. So just doing a little bit of algebra. So that's 289 degrees. So that's my final answer. Therefore, two angles, theta is 71 and 289 degrees. I might just keep drawing new unit circles so you can keep it for future answers. Let's do the second one. Sine theta equals a positive number again. Let me draw my second one. Australian Tennis Club or Silly Turtles Crawl. So again, sine theta is positive, so I'm going to have my answer one positive over here. So that's that angle I find. Also another one over here. So that those two angles will be theta. So ideally, I need to figure out that theta and another angle, which is what that is, which should be 180 degrees. Take theta. I think hopefully you should be able to kind of see that easily happening, hopefully now. Alright, so let's inverse sine and then figure out what my theta should be, one of the options for it. Okay, so I get approximately 49. I'm just going to round it up again. And then as I said with the looking at the unit circle, so having a look, so this is 49 degrees, so 180 degrees, take 49 degrees will give me my other second option, 131 degrees, so therefore two angles, theta is 49 degrees and 131 degrees. Alright, let's do my last one. Hopefully I can squeeze it in over here. Alright, see, tan theta equals 2. So with the tan theta, I need to draw my unit circle, South Australian Tennis Club. My tan theta is going to be positive over here, right, as well as over here. Okay. So that's the same angle. So let's see if I inverse tan, what do I get? I get approximately 63 degrees. So that's my first option, this one over here. Now if I want to figure out, my big angle, which is that angle, all I have to do is do 180. So that's 180 degrees plus that same angle. So it'll be 180 degrees plus 63. If you're really struggling with the second option, you don't understand how to get you don't really understand what's going on here, please come talk to me so I can explain it a little bit better, or I can guide you to more videos. But hopefully you're not having too much issues with it. It's just looking at the diagram and figuring out, what to add on. Two angles, theta equals 63 degrees and 243 degrees. And let me just double check the answer before I move on, just so it's the right answer. 71 degrees, approximately 289. That's close enough. 49 and 131 approximately. Yep, fine. 63, and hopefully you can notice it, it changes a little bit. They obviously use a decimal point, so it's a little bit different. But that's pretty good. I like that. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of space. I'm going to move these a bit down so we've got some space. Now up to please write all of that down and get these questions going. Just do that middle column for now, and then we'll move on.